There she goes. Well, it's about 10 o'clock at night on Wednesday, outside in the garage with the 89 Honda Hawk GT bought last week. Been sitting in guy's chicken coop for a solid 8 years or so. Single-sided swing arm. I don't know how well this will come out with the light. Got the big beams going. 650cc, 1989, 9,600 original miles. Got a remote fuel tank hooked up here, old lawnmower tank. Just put a new battery in it. Flushed some fresh fuel through the carbs here, and screwed in a couple new spark plugs, getting ready to actually see if it'll give so much as a sputter. There's the tail section right here, and the seat and air box, looking like it's about to fall actually. But cool little bike, only weighs a little over 400 pounds wet, and hopefully it runs. We'll see what happens. We're here with the 1989 Honda Hawk GT that I bought less than 2 weeks ago in pretty dilapidated condition, and it's been a feverish restoration. Had a tough time finding a fuel tank, but ended up getting the last one in the country from brand new from Honda, along with a bunch of other parts like brakes, oil change, carburetor rebuilding. Only has 9,600 original miles, original owner until now. I've transferred the title, getting ready to register and insure it probably. Has a Targa aftermarket upper cowl. Other than that, it's completely stock and original, right down to the original tires. That's a 110 Dunlop on the front and a 150 Dunlop on the rear. Single-sided swing arm, pretty unique. It's a V-twin sport bike, aluminum perimeter frame. I figured we'd get the first firing with the new fuel tank in place. Engine was just started for 1 second briefly. Has a splash of gas in it. Nice. Has electric fuel pump. There she goes. I'll admit it's definitely a little cold-blooded. Very lean jetting stock. The carburetors were an absolute nightmare inside. The bike has sat for approximately 8 or 9 years, possibly as long as 14. Hard to say, but it's alive. Almost completed my restoration. I say almost because it seems like there's never-ending things to do. Just refinished the brake pedal today. Forks and brake rotor yesterday. Rejetted the carbs a week or so ago. Shimmed the needles. Fresh coolant, fresh oil. Brand new fuel tank. Single-sided swing arm. Have the upper cowl off at the moment. Probably put it back on soon, but I like it either way.